Hi guys, I have looked better. I'm just out of the shower, I'm drying my hair and I'm trying to get ready to like get myself organized, I guess, because we're going to FARMAPHOBIA tonight. I am actually so excited. So my boyfriend and one of his workmates and his girlfriend are going to FARMAPHOBIA and I'm just so excited. So the four of us have paid to be absolutely terrified tonight and I absolutely can't wait. But it is such a rotten, dirty, horrible day today. Like, it's pouring rain and I wouldn't mind, but for like the last maybe 4 or 5 days it's been nice and dry. It's just so disappointing that the first night that we're going it's pouring rain. I'm just trying to organize myself. It's really late in the day, like it's after 4, like late to be starting a vlog, but I think I might do this vlog over the next couple of days because I'm getting my hair done on Friday. Hello, like it is ratchet. Like, look at my roots, they're the worst. I haven't had it done in 4 months, so don't judge, don't judge. And I don't know what to wear tonight because I can't locate my wellies, so I think I'm gonna have to wear biker boots, which are fine because I've worn boots like that to like a festival and they were fine. Like, they were a bit dirty but like I could wipe them down, they're leather and stuff, so I'm not too worried about like my footwear. I'm mostly concerned about like being warm and, you know, not getting soaked to the skin. So I'm trying to like dress appropriately. But yeah, that's what I'm up to this evening. I can't wait. And I'm sorry guys, I haven't vlogged in forever. It's just been really busy lately. I've had 2 sponsor videos this month, which I never really take on sponsorships unless like I really love the sponsors. So I've been working on them. And then I have, what else have I been doing? I've been entertaining like friends. I've had friends over. I've been going to visit friends, trying to catch up with everyone. Obviously spending time with my boyfriend, trying to like factor in my family. So it's just been a really busy month. A very great month. October has flown by. Like, today is the 23rd, 24th of October. It has actually flown. The month has just like zipped on by and I can't believe it. So we're actually nearly going into like Christmas season now. I hate saying that word so early. I know I said the C word, but I just think that like now, I just always think that once October and Halloween is over, like it is then appropriate to say that word. So I still have like another week before I can mention the Christmas thing. I just put up a video there now on the Essence Advent calendar. I bought the advent calendar, I want to say like early in the month, and I just opened it like last week and filmed it and uploaded the video, and you can kind of see my reaction from that video, so I'll definitely leave the link below if you want to watch that video. And then I also uploaded my Carly Bybel video there maybe like 3 or 4 days ago. I tried her palette, I absolutely loved it, so I'm just really obsessed with that palette. Anyway, I need to like get myself organized. I need to like straighten my hair and then like maybe curl my hair. Look at how ratchet it is. I can't wait to get it cut. I just can't wait for it not to look like this anymore. I am ready to go. It's after getting so dark now. I just have the overhead light. Oh god, there goes my blind. I'm ready to go. I just put on a little bit of makeup. I didn't put on that much because I just, my skin's not great and I wanted to like freshen my face up a little bit. So I threw on makeup, which will probably not last very long considering that the weather is crap and it will probably just wash all away. But anyway, I'm going to head over to my boyfriend's now because I'm having dinner in his first, and then we're going to head down to Causey Farm. Down to FARMAPHOBIA, I think at around 8:15, so we should be there for nearly 9, and I'm very excited to go. I'm like really pumped. I just can't wait. I'm very nervous as well because I think the last time I did this was maybe 5 years ago, and I kid you not, I was petrified. The whole bunch of us were like quaking in our boots, like we're just terrified. But we had like a good opportunity. The last time we went there wasn't many groups ahead of us, so we weren't spoiled with the scares. Whereas I was talking to my friend Amy the other last night, and she was saying that when she went there was like people in front of them, and then when they get afraid they kind of knew where the people were that were jumping out and stuff. You get me? If you're not aware of what FARMAPHOBIA is, basically it's where you're in like an outdoor situation and you're like wandering around through fields or wandering around through like an area that is set up basically that people can like jump out on top of you and scare you, and then there's like a fun house and all sorts of crazy things go on in there, and then there's like another like scary house that was like pitch black dark and you're going around like feeling your way around. There's escape rooms, loads of stuff like that. Like, it's just basically where people pay to be terrified. The last time I went, like I was kind of afraid, but I think this time I kind of know what to expect, so fingers crossed I don't die. Well, I'm driving over now and it's just a bloody horrible, miserable, rotten day. Like, it's not cold out, but it's just bloody a filthy evening, and when you're running around the place and stuff, you're not really gonna care, but I'm just kind of raging that it is so wet. Anyway guys, I hope you are all keeping really well. I feel like it's been so long, I said that earlier, since I vlogged, but it actually has been so long since I vlogged and sat down and talked to you. I'm trying to think what's going on in my life at the moment. Not really a whole lot, like I'm just kind of like spending time with my friends, boyfriend, family, the usual. We're going away this weekend as well, which I can't wait for. We're going, I don't know where we're going to go. We said like we didn't want to go too far, like within like a 2-hour drive, so obviously I won't be going down to like Cork or Kerry or anywhere like that, but we haven't anything booked. But I'd like to go away somewhere really nice, like just, I don't know, like just a nice romantic weekend away for the bank holiday, because it's bank holiday here in Ireland. It's the last bank holiday of the year, other than like obviously Christmas and New Year's bank holidays, but like they're kind of like in the next year, I often think. This year has flown. Has anyone else thought that? Like, I feel like there was so many things that I was like I wanted to do this year, and then like bam, it's October and I haven't done half the things that I said I was going to do or wanted to do. But who cares? That's what next year is for. You just put them on our bucket list for then. Why is my radio acting up? We were supposed to go to Rome this weekend, but it just kind of got out of our grasp. Like, it just kind of was on top of us in no time, and I just had so much work on, and he had projects and work and stuff, and just didn't work out. So we're thinking that we want to do Rome like early next year, and get that under our belts. Like, I've never been, it's on my bucket list. I'm sorry, I keep touching my hair, it's driving me mad today. It's just not great. But yeah, I'm kind of raging we didn't get to go to Rome, but look, sure, we'll, you know, Rome's always going to be there. It's not going to disappear on us, it's not going to run away. We can do it again. It's just another way you're trying to like always like fit loads of things in, and with my work schedule and stuff, it's not always feasible depending on what videos I have and stuff like that. And sometimes people think, oh yeah, self-employment's great because you can just like take time off whenever you want, and it's not always like that. Sometimes you actually have things to hand in on time and you have to do that. I was watching a video from Trisha Paytas this morning, and I'm kind of a bit confused. I think I'm like behind with the viewers like viewing her channel, because she was talking about how she's transitioning now. Did I miss something? Like, I know she had that video up saying that she was transgender, but I don't mean to sound bad, but I was fully convinced that she was trolling in that video. Not to like disrespect her or him, or whatever pronoun Trisha is using now, but I seen she put up a video and she said she was actually transitioning. So like I said, have I missed something? Is that really happening? I don't know, is she still trolling the internet, or is she for real about that? I don't know, because if she's trolling, that's a really, like, she's just taking it too far now at this stage. But I didn't actually get to watch the video, it just popped up, because obviously I was like trying to get ready and stuff, and I was like, I must watch that to see what she has to say for herself in it. I love Trisha, I really do. Like, I think her videos are entertaining, especially her mukbangs. I like them. I like watching her like ordering things, and someone in front of her ordered eating pink food. If anybody's ever seen that, it was bloody hilarious. She got like carbonara pasta and poured like half a bottle of pink food color on it. I was like, oh dear God. It was pretty funny. But I really enjoy like her funny content and stuff, but this one was just kind of a little bit like, I'm like, what's going on there? I feel like I haven't really had much time to watch YouTube videos either as well. I feel like there's been just a lot going on. Like I said, like the months are just flying by, and I'm like trying to organize everything in my life. Month was tax month as well. That was fun. So I actually had the best meeting ever last week with my accountant. It went so well, and everything is like in flying form, and I'm just really happy with everything, like accounts, etc., the way my channel's going, income, etc. There's always room for improvement, things that I can do and jazz up, but I actually am very happy with the way that everything's going. Now I'm boiling in this car. I'll take this scarf off. That's pretty much all that's kind of going on in my life at the moment. I really wish that I was vlogging more to kind of keep us up to date with stuff, but it's just, hasn't been possible. But I am going to try and vlog a little bit more. Maybe I'll vlog this weekend when we go away, see if we do anything fun to bring you along, because last weekend we did so many fun things and I didn't know we were going to be doing all the fun things, and I left my camera in my house and it just wasn't possible to go pick it up because we're busy obviously. But we went to the 45th. One of my boyfriend's workmates a few years ago suddenly passed away from SADS, which is sudden adult death syndrome. So they did a jump in the 40-foot and we all went out to the 40-foot to watch everyone jumping in, and they were fundraising for it, and it's just for a really, really good cause. Like, the poor guy, he was so young, and it was just, I think he was only, yeah, he was like 24 or something like that. So really, really, really young, and so soon for him to pass away obviously. But it was really nice, like, seeing everyone fundraising. And then on Saturday we went to Dundrum, we went shopping. He needed to get snowboarding boots because he's going snowboarding with work in December, I think, and he wants his own ones, or skiing, snowboarding, I'm not really actually sure. Then we went and played mini golf. I lost, I can't believe it. The last time we played mini golf was actually on our first date and I beat him very well as well. Then we went and met some of his friends, went bowling, and we did, what else did we do? Bowling and pool, that's what we did, and got Krispy Kremes obviously, and watched a movie. So like, I did do fun things at the weekend and I'm kind of raging I didn't have my camera with me, so I'm gonna just have this in my handbag, because if anything exciting or fun is happening, at least it's in my handbag and I can, you know, I can just have it there to hand. So I'm bringing it everywhere. I'm getting better at it. I'm gonna continue to drive here because this traffic's starting to get heavy and I kind of feel like I need to like be concentrating, or else I will ram into somebody and that's not going to be fun. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm there, or when we're on our way to FARMAPHOBIA. If this rain does not stop, I'm just not going to be a happy bunny. No.
That's good.
What kind of tape? Tape. A regular tape. People run it, I don't know. You start to play it, and it's
what am I
like
taking?
and as soon as it's over, your phone rings.
So guys, I am at FARMAPHOBIA and it's bloody unreal. Sorry, it's like really noisy, but it's so fun, like, but it's just like, I don't know, I've been frightened a few times and normally I don't scare that easily. Teams are really cool as well, and it's just really, really fun. There's like a bonfire and stuff here as well. I look like something that fell out of a bush, because I swear to God I've been in through bushes and in through cornfields and stuff, but it is really, really fun. I highly recommend it if you just want to like a little bit of a scare. And it's dry, guys. It stopped raining, so stop raining, and time for us to actually walk around the themes and like not get drowned. One of them is a World War II theme and it's so fun, like it's actually terrifying, but like just so much crack. Like I am actually having so much fun. Can I say so any more times? It's like I'm terrified. Here we go.
Let's go.
I can't skip this one. The clowns.
I like your man.
I think it's pretty horrendous. Hey guys, I look really weird. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I need to like sort out my lips. Anyway, I thought that I would just check in with you guys just to say, oh hello Chewy, just to say I'm wrapping up the vlog. Chewy's come in. Chewy's come in to say hello. How are you? Breaking in through the door. You're the loveliest puppy that ever was. He got groomed. I had to bring him to get his glands done the other day. He did not like me at all. And he's just back from a walk with mum. You had a good walk, didn't you? Sleepy boy. Fall asleep. You're all dirty now after getting groomed. Anyway, yeah, FARMAPHOBIA was amazing. I had like the best time ever. I thought I'd be like really frightened, but it was just really enjoyable. So the first thing we did was there was like a World War II like theme. So we did that first, and then you had to go through like a cornfield, and then there was like a house of horrors, and then there was an asylum and a fun house which had clowns in it. And my boyfriend's workmate's girlfriend that was with us, she was terrified of the clowns. So I would say if you're terrified of clowns, so just don't do the fun house. We didn't have time to do like escape rooms or anything like that because it kind of got really late, and I wasn't in bed until like 1 o'clock in the morning, so it went on long. It was amazing though. I had so much fun. Like I was at FARMAPHOBIA maybe like 4 years ago, like I'd already said, and I don't remember it being this fun. So if you get time to go before Halloween, I would highly recommend it. And if you want like a good scare and like just fun with your friends, I highly rate it. It's really fun. So I'm gonna continue doing my makeup because I'm gonna film 2 videos, and I want to do a Penny's haul in particular, and I look so weird without my makeup on my eyes. And my lips are not great, so I need to sort that out ASAP. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm sorry it was like a bit of a random one. It probably wasn't that long, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, that would help me out so much, and I'll talk to you in my next vlog.